is goodbye, waiting for your bright blue sky. Lonely night with the angels cry, holding on to the sunrise. When you come back to me.
Sa pumili na engagement ring, ito yung reading. Tingnan natin kung anong dapat niyong malaman. Okay, they requested me to cleanse. I'm just go ahead and cleanse. I feel here na meron tao na nafe-feel regretful dahil iniwan ka niya sa ere. Baka ginost kayo. Or hindi kayo pinansin sa oras na nangangailangan kayo. I feel like you could be somebody na influential person. At itong tao na to, they need to change for the future. Nasense ko yung kantang You Belong With Me by Taylor Swift. Baka kasi meron siyang iba, pero third party situation siguro, hindi kayo yung pinili. Parang ganun ba? I feel na they feel the test that God has given to them. Kasi, yung mga panahon na yun, baka kasi yung pinili nila is based sa kanilang taste. Maybe dahil sa kagandahan, kagapuhan, or pwede rin dahil sa status with regards sa money. Okay, so remember to take which resonates and leave what doesn't, okay? So, I feel here talaga na itong taon na to, you know, they are regretful. Kasi na-realize nila na everything is okay with regards to you. Walang drama. At saka you're guiding them to the right path. I feel na nagtagpo kayo in this lifetime. Maybe to change this person for the future is what I sense. And yun nga, may third party situation dito. So ito yung pinadama mo sa kanila, pinadama mo yung pagmamahal, at saka you're really someone na talagang supportive of them. Yung masakit dito guys, kasi despite of you showing this love and care to this person, iba pa rin yung kanyang pinili. Iniwan ka niya. Ngayon, this person is definitely regretful of not choosing you as a partner. Kasi, I'm sensing na sa ngayon, ito yung energy mo. Hinasenso kasi vibe mo pa pagka-influencer yung energy mo na nakaka-attract ka ng mga tao naturally to you, maybe because of the reason that you're really a kind person and a loving one. I feel na pinagsisiyan nila na hindi ko yung kanilang pinili because they're aware that you're somebody that's loyal and caring and loving as well. Ngayon kasi, kaya kanila namimiss kasi they are single. Okay? And they definitely miss your love, as you can see. So God wants you to know how much this person is still interested in you. But it's really up to you guys if you will choose this person. Because I'm sensing like you're better off alone, as you can see with this one. And anyway, let's see what else. So, heal and relaxation. So, ito kasi yung nangyari. Kaya siya naiiyak. Kasi when this person do have a chance with you, hindi ka niya binigyan ng pagkakataon na ma-experience yung love sa kanya. Yung ginawa lang niya siguro sa'yo, pinabayaan ka niya, pinaiyak ka niya, and so on. So, I feel this person is aware na dahil nga sa pagtrato niya sa inyo, there's no way that you will come back to him or her. Because first of all, you feel hurt. I feel na iba nga sa inyo, you feel hate about this person not actually treating you well na may pagkakataon pa. So, we have this engagement ring. It says your engagement, partnership, commitment, eternity, completion, and union. Ngayon, yung gusto yung palam sa'yo ng Panginoon, na itong tao na past, gusto ka nga niya sana na ikaw na lang yung partner niya. Pero I feel hindi na maaari kasi first of all, they have hurt you emotionally. Okay? So, it's really up to you if you will give this person a chance. Okay? I feel like God is just letting you know that your ex definitely miss you. So, anyway, we have this one. Every day is Valentine's Day. So, baka yun yung pinadama nyo sa kanila. Yun nga lang. Yun nga, swerte nga nila sa inyo. Pero yung masaklap kasi guys, hindi man lang nila binigyan ng effort, yung connection with the creativity in reverse. Ikaw lang siguro yung gawa ng gawa sa relationship para masalba. So, you have the truth in either way. So, as I told you before, na during that time, na kayo pa, naguguluhan siya sa pag-ibig. Okay? I feel na nandito kayo sa kanyang buhay para ipakita mo sa kanila kung ano talaga yung pagmamahal. Okay? Kasi nga naguguluhan sila sa pag-ibig. So, yun yung task mo. But yet, yung nag-fail sila kasi hindi nila nakita yun. Saka lang nila napansin nung mga panahon na wala na silang partner. Or mag-isa na lang sila at alone. So, you have this one in either way, and we also have this one in either way. So, if you know whomever this is, guys, they are actually daydreaming of having you back, and they have this obsession to watch you from afar. Pero kaya siya naka in either way kasi on your end, you're not looking at this person anymore. I really sense na iba sa inyo ay, may ayaw nyo na sa kanya, parang natatakot kayo na kung siya yung piliin mo, mangyari na naman yung nangyari noong past. So, kaya, it's kinda like, really depends on you if you will accept this person. But yet, most of you, definitely you will not accept because you're afraid that the past may repeat itself if you choose him or her. Ngayon, kung sino man si past person, hindi pa siya naka-move on sa inyo. Hindi sila at peace. If you're wondering if they're happy without you, they're not really happy, guys. If ever they're posting in social media, they just see happiness in your reading. That's really, to be honest with you, they're not really happy. Okay, they really regret what they've done to you. So, you have the D here. And we also got the yes in either way. Iba naman sa kanila, guys. Kaya siguro sila pumili ng ibang tao kasi baka may chismis silang narinig maybe about you. And because of it, yung dating yes nila for you nawala. So, maraming rason kung bakit, hindi ko yung kanilang pinili. On the right timing, maybe you will be given a chance to really know anong nangyari. Kasi baka iba sa kanila, maybe they ghost you. Okay, so anyway, tingnan natin kung ano pang meron. I feel na money matters to them. Baka iba sa kanila pinili yung status. Maybe hindi kayo ganun what do you call this, sa position with regards sa career. Okay? So, baka yung isang ka-third party, baka mayaman, baka mataas ang pinag-aralan, or pwede may narating sa buhay. So, kaya yun yung kanilang pinili. So, I feel na talagang masakit ang ginawa nila sa inyo. Hugs to you all. So, yung gusto ipaalam sa inyo ng Diyos, yung iba sa kanila, kung hindi yun yung kanilang basehan, maybe because of passion, that's the reason why hindi ikaw yung kanilang pinili. Kaya nag-failed yung connection. I feel na yung iba nangyari dito is gusto ipalam sa ng Diyos na nilayo ka sa taong ito kapag habol lang niya ay passion. Kasi hindi rin magiging successful yung relationship kahit naging kayo. Kasi first of all, kung mag-fade si ganda, aalis itong tao na to at maghahanap na naman ng mga kasama because of passion. So, kaya, iba yung kanyang pinili. Kasi mas masakit, guys, kung ikaw yung pinili. Tapos, iniwan ka niya sa oras na mawala yung beauty. Ngayon, kaya itong tao na to ay nagsisisi kasi kung sino man ang kanyang pinili, hindi yan mabuting tao, controlling yan na tao. At ngayon, dahil nga naipit siya sa maling tao, sa kanya na-realize na ikaw pala ay talagang mabuti para sa kanya. I feel na pinapakita sa kanya ng Diyos kung anong dapat niyang piliin with regards sa love life. Dapat humanap siya ng tao na mabuti at hindi lang about sa ganda, kagapuhan, or sa status. Dapat may heart din. Okay, napaka-importante nun. So, tingnan naman natin kung ano yung kanyang karma sa paggawa ng ganitong bagay sa'yo na I feel na pinaasa. Yan ba sa inyo, okay? Another dimension to me. Okay, they asked me to cleanse first, so just go ahead and cleanse. Bila nagkaroon ng taon ng aso, ibig sabihin lang na mapapaaway siya. Dumama yung ingay sa background. Away bati situation, sabi ng mga anghel. Okay. So, itong tao na to, naipagka-childlike yung kanyang energy. Okay? Nasulatan niya yung damdamin mo. Iba sa kanila, para na silang natuwa, natawa, and so on. Kasi, yun nga, na, katawag doon? Nabudol kanila, yun na nasa sense ko. Salbahay yung kanilang energy. Ito yung past energy na nasa sense ko. Ngayon, yung karma nila, magkakatagpo sila ng tao na gagamitin sila, masyadong dominant kung sino may naging partner nila at ginagamit lang sila sa pera. Kaya, yung kanilang karma, really, maubos ang kanilang kayamanan dahil sa taong yan. So, susuko sila dyan sa tao. Iba naman sa kanila, if ever they really base it based on passion thing, mawawalan na sila ng gana. To be honest with you, kasi I feel na nagugulan sila at naiiyak sa relationship. Kasi I really feel na patuloy na ganitong kamalasan sa love life kung patuloy nilang paiiralin yung pagka-passion nila. Okay, obsession sa matigas ang kanilang ulo, baka ito yung tao na panay pili na maganda or gwapo, pwedeng may status, pero hindi sila tumitingin sa puso Yun yung mali nila. So, kaya, nangyayari dito is, patuloy sila naka-attract ng tao na makasarili, na controlling. Okay, ginagamit lang sila sa pera. Paulit-ulit yan hanggat hindi sila nagbabago. So, anyway, that's it guys with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your person and situation. And God bless all of you. Sa mga pumili ng photograph card dito in your reading, tignan natin kung ano ang dapat ninyong malaman. Bila nagkaroon ng ingay sa inyong reading, baka drama, to be honest with you. I'm sassy yung gusto nila sabihin, be secretive. Kasi maybe you're dealing with somebody na toxic sa inyong buhay. Baka ito ay ahas na kaibigan na nag-gossip. Okay? Or binabaluktot niya kung ano yung sinasabi mo. So, mag-ingat ka sa ahas. Ngayon, i-clarify natin yung cards. Kaya pala, sa umpisa na yung reading, nakarinig tayo ng ingay na para may bumagsak. So, ibig sabihin nun, kung sino man tong ahas sa inyong buhay, baka siya yung may tendency or dahilan na kayo ay bumagsak sa career. Pwede rin bumagsak sa exam, kung ano man yan. Or pwede mag-failed ang relationship dahil sa kanya. So, ingat kayo sa ahas na yan. At wag basta-basta magsabi ng inyong sikreto kung kani-kanino lang. Iba sa inyo, whomever this is a frenemy vibe. pinagkatiwalaan nyo siya, pero sa huli, this person will betray you for your downfall. I feel na kung sino rin siya ay kahaman sa pera. At pinag-iingat kayo ng Diyos about this person. So, maraming messages sa pag-shuffle pa lang. I feel like you have been kind and loving in energy, pero kasi hindi ko ina-sense sa tao na frenemy ninyo. So, anyway, kung sino man siya, naguguluhan ka kasi madalas yung away sa inyong connection. Kahit na connected kayo, kahit na friends, or let's say ka-close talaga na relative. Because of the reason that you are authentic and you could have assumed like people around you are the same. Pero, ito yung dapat mong ma-realize na hindi lahat kagaya mo. And you're learning that lesson. And that's the reason why you met whomever this is. But, really, you have to be careful. To be honest with you, on whom you trust. Okay? So, God also wants you to know na ito nga yung meron kayo, may kayamanan. If ever is not happening now, I feel like in the future, it will be. You will be granted this wealth and also a loving partner kasi yung talaga yung winiwish kay God. At saka kaya kanya pinag-aaway with the wrong person because of the reason na gusto sanang isalba ka ng Panginoon against this person. Okay, so ito siguro yung pinag-aalala mo kung mawala yung taong yun sa iyong buhay, maging mag-isa ka lang mo, may isipin yan. Kasi remember that only new people will come in na talagang ka-vibe mo if you will let go of people na hindi nag-resonate sa inyo. So, yun dapat mo rin ma-realize. So, sa ngayon, yung gusto nilang ipaalam sa'yo, be busy with your work. As you can see here, at iwasan mo rin maging materialistic. I'm sensing na siguro yung iba sa mga taong ito na yung frenemy or whatsoever, maybe they are encouraging you to be materialistic. Iwasan mo yun. Okay? Kasi, let's say may darating na biyaya sa inyo pero malulustay yan lahat kung ilalagay mo lahat sa material wealth. So, iwasan nyo yan, guys. Okay? Yung ganyang pag-uugali din. Next na we have is this one. So, I'm sensing talagang pinaglalayo kayong dalawa because of the reason na kamalasan ang dulot niya sa inyo. At napapansin mo rin madalas siya magkasakit and I feel like madalas siyang away kasi yun nga may stubborn sa inyo. Meron siguro isa sa inyo na napaka-prideful, tapos sundin mo and so on. Talagang magka-clash kayo. Tagang pinaghihiwalay ka. Ito rin yung pakiramdam mo kung ba't kayo madalas mag-away. Kasi first of all, this person is someone na baka may gawing masama. I feel it's not yet happening now, but in the future, there's a potential that this person may wrong you. Okay? Kasi I think this is your energy na you're different from this person, definitely. At saka, kasi pag ganito yung vibe mo, marami rin tao magsaselos sa ganitong energy. So, of course, you're also authentic, to be honest with you. So, syempre, kung sino man si Snake, magsaselos yan. Lalo na kung makita kanya maraming kayamanan. Okay? Kaya siguro itong as na to, gumagawa siya ng paraan para mawala itong blessing sa meron ka. And maybe this person is pushing you to be materialistic para busin mo lahat ng yaman mo sa mali. Kung magkaroon ka na ng pera. So we got a photograph here. It says, looking at your photo, missing you, nostalgia, make new memories. So I feel here, yung photograph card natin, meaning yan is to make new memories based on your reading. Ibig sabihin lang no, na you really have to let go of this toxic person that you have as of now in order to open new doors towards new people, new friendship, and so on. Okay? Siguro kasi kung sino man ito talaga inaalis sa inyo, baka best friend nyo yan or kung ano man. Pero guys, you know, kasi feeling ko takot kayo mawala tong tao na to eh. Kasi inisip mo na wala ka na ibang friend. O may isipin yun. Okay? Kahit nasabihin natin na maging alone ka, but it's not going to be forever. Kasi nakita mo naman na bibigyan ka ng bagong tao na talaga mag-resonate sa'yo. Mas okay na yun, diba? Kaysa sa makasama mo is hindi mo naman kasundo. Tsaka, yeah, you don't deserve to have a snake around. So, ito yung malungkot, guys, kasi you're not cautious about whomever this negative person is, okay? Maybe because of the reason that you believe that everyone around you is authentic like you. So, next time around, you really have to let go of people that you see as not as good as you are. Okay, para din kasi yan sa ikabubuti. Kasi until now, you're holding on to that person with a down in either way. We also have the Y in reverse. We also got the oops. So, I'm sensing here, yung mangyayari is ihiwalay uli kayo ng Diyos. Kasi siya ay deceitful and you don't deserve this kind of person in your life. Because first of all, you're not deceitful. Next that we have is this one. So this is a liar person. Don't ever believe him or her. Iba naman sa inyo guys, baka habol lang nila ay kayamanan mo. Kaya until now, they are there. Okay, so we also got create your own happiness is in either way. Ito rin yung dapat i-observe mo sa iyong friend or whomever that is. Kasi I feel like whomever this is, hindi siya talaga supportive sa ginagawa mo sa buhay. Ito yung tao na nagpapanggap na they actually clap for you, but in reality, they're not happy for you. They're your haters, okay? I really forget the noise, okay? So you have this one. I think na they are always being upset whenever they see you happy. Okay, they're really heartless. I feel na naiyak ka kasi siguro nakita mo na yung red flag before. You just ignored it, okay? So, you have the perfect in either way. It just mean na ito siguro iniisip mo na yung mga tao sa paligid is perfect. Hindi mo nakita yung mga red flags kasi you keep on believing that there's goodness in others. But let me remind you, yes, there is, but yet, kung hindi nila i-focus yung good heart nila, definitely may masama sila. So, yun ang dapat mo rin ma-realize na hindi lahat ng tao ay mabuti. May mga tao pumipili ng maling landas. Okay? So, anyway, let's see what else do we have here. I'm sensing heavy karmic energy and toxic vibe, to be honest with you. So, anyway, let's see what we have here. So, we got this one. Ito ngayon dapat mong i-let go. I feel like you really could be somebody who's treasuring memories with this person. Pero yung gusto nga nilang sabihin na, yung masakit guys, kahit nasabihin natin ito yung tingin mo sa kanya friend, hasaktan ka niya sa huli. Okay, kaya ginagawa ng paraan ng Diyos sa mawalan ka ng passion to be with this person para ma-let go mo na siya completely. Kasi kung hindi mo siya i-let go, baka kasi masaktan ka further sa gagawin niya. Okay? And God is wanting you to know na even if you will let go of whomever this is, saka pala mag-open yung doors towards you having a new person. That is really a loving energy here. That is definitely what you deserve. At hindi mga taong deceitful, kagaya ko sino man tong frenemy mo. Okay? So, tignan naman natin. Okay, so ngayon kasi hindi ko nasa-sense na may nagawa silang mali. Kasi nabanggit nila na sa future pa na mapapansin yung magkakaroon ng betrayal dito. So, anyway, that's it muna for your reading. Saka na si karma reading kapag nangyari na yung hindi magandang pangyayari, okay? So, anyway, that's it, guys. And God bless all of you. So, pumili ng coffin card ito yung reading. Tingnan natin kung anong dapat malaman ninyo. So, I feel kayo guys ay naguguluhan. And I feel na somebody also wants to copy you. And I'm not quite sure if you're aware about it, okay? Pero itong tao na to is one of your viewers if ever you do have a following. At maybe, iba naman sa inyo ay nagbebenta. So, anyway, i-clarify natin yung cards. I feel here na kung sino man ito. Ang swerte niya kasi na-meet ka niya. Or pwede rin nalaman niya yung inyong channel, yung iyong negosyo. Pero I feel na this is kinda like a snake energy. And I feel na nakita niya kasi kung ano yung ginagawa mo, may potential for growth yun. Kaya gusto niyang kopyahin. So, I feel here talaga maaasar ka kasi makita mong binimik niya yung ginagawa mong negosyo or pwede rin yung art style mo, kung ano man yan. And they want you to know that whomever this is, siya ay meron evil entity within or pwede kasi na evil entities yung nagka-guide sa kanya, that's why they did what they did, okay? So, kung may ganyan kang guide, syempre, mangyari sa isipan mo ay kakaiba. Hindi mo na naisip ang mararamdaman ng tao sa paligid, especially sa mga kinokopyahan, di ba? So, ito kasi napansin niya. Inisip niya na sa ginagawa mo, pwede ka yumaman. Kahit na in reality, parang hindi ka pa andon. Okay? So, this is a person, yung copycat, na hindi niya alam ang gagawin niya sa kanyang buhay. Naghahanap pa siya ng opportunities or nagdi-discover pa siya about life, kung ano yung career na dapat sa kanya. At it so happens na nakita niya yung channel mo, yung negosyo mo, kung ano man yan. And this person got inspired on what you're doing kasi iniisip niya ay pera. I feel na may pagkagahaman din yung kanyang energy. Ngayon, God wants you to know about this because you need to prevent yourself from expressing too much. Can be sa social media, can be to your family, and so on. Kasi I feel here na may potential na isa sa copycat mo ay kung sino man yung nasa social media mo. Can be a family member, can be a friend. Basta nandun sa circle mo, dun sa social media. And I feel this is kinda like a jealous friend for some of you or people around you that you are definitely close with and they're keeping an eye on what you're doing as you can see here. And I'm sensing na marami nakagusto sa produkto mo or pwede rin sa ginagawa mo because I feel like you're doing those things by heart. Okay? You're not someone that's actually doing your job because of the money itself. It's because maybe some of you, it's your calling or pwede rin yun talaga yung hilig mong gawin. Ito kasing tao na to, yung pagkaikaiba yung dalawa, you're focused on heart and this person is focused on material wealth or gains. To be honest with you. So, hindi kayo makaka-match up ng vibration and that's also the reason why whether they copy you or not, you're still going to be popular whether they like it or not because iba yung vibe mo, guys. You're somebody that's in this caring vibration and they are not. See? Kasi yung gusto lang nila siguro ay fame, yung gusto lang nila siguro ay pera and so on. And that's why they copy you or they're going to copy you. I feel na naiiyak ka kasi you really work hard on what you're doing. And what they want you to know is that you shouldn't give up hope in your channel, following, or business. Okay, gusto nilang paalam sa iyo na no matter how many times people are mimicking your works, hindi pa rin kasi mawawala yung pag-crave ng mga tao sa produkto mo or sa ginagawa mo kasi iba yun. Kasi nakita ng mga tao yung vibe mo na caring, loving energy at yun yung kadalasan din hinahanap ng ibang customers or clients kasi hindi ka makasarili. You care of others rather than of yourself. At saka, bihira na lang yung mga taong ganyan. I'll give you an example, okay? Okay, nakalimutan kong banggitin. So, yung coffin card natin nakalagay dito, endings, bring new beginnings, growth, change, liberation, and transition. So, ayaw nga nilang i-ending mo or i-change kung ano man ang ginagawa mo. Gusto nilang sabihin sa'yo na whatever you're doing as of now, it work. Kasi you really definitely attract people to you because of your kindness at talagang treasure ng mga tao. So, yung example na sasabihin ko sa inyo is about business, okay? You could be somebody na may negosyo at saka kung isi-shift mo yung iyong product, talagang ginagandahan mo yung packaging, minimake sure mo na hindi masasira yung produkto. So, you put an effort on putting bubble wraps and so on to protect the product. Compare mo sa mga tao na walang pakialam sa kanilang kliyente, gagawin lang nila, ilalagay lang nila yung product and that's it. Without caring much about kung masira yung produkto, and so on. So, yun yung pinagkaiba ng taong may heart sa taong wala because they just care about money and they don't care about clients or customers. So, yeah, malaking difference, diba? So, anyway, tingnan natin kung ano pang meron. Oops. So, we have these tears here. So, yun nga yung gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon na huwag kayong mag-alala. Huwag mo masyadong dibdibin na kinopyahan ka kasi iba pa rin ang produkto mo. So, you have to trust in either way here. And we also got the keep in either way. So, kaya siguro kayo nandito ngayon kasi maybe you're worried about your negosyo na baka hindi na mag-bloom kasi may nangopya ng gawa mo and so on. They want you to trust and believe in yourself. Okay? Gusto nilang itago mo yung produkto mo kasi, ikaw yung nauna. At marami ka ng actually mga kliyente rin na nagkagusto sa ginagawa mo. So, why would you give it up? Right? So, yun dapat mong tandaan. Kasi hindi nila makakalimutan. Kasi si forget natin is in reverse. Hindi nila makakalimutan yung produkto mo or kung ano man yung following mo. Hanap-hanapin nila yan because this is definitely a treasure or pattern na kasi yan ng kanilang buhay or ng memory. So, wag sana na alisin mo to sa'yo. Kasi, yeah, that is definitely, I feel na blessed sa'yo ng Panginoon itong negosyo na to. So, sana, not because of these people who's copycats and so on, mag-fail ka, you rather need to open doors towards the future to see about your clients. I really feel naiyak ka kasi nakita mo nang walang pag-asa. Gusto mo sana magbago ng negosyo. But I don't really see here na you're required to change. I'm sensing na you're just required to stay on where you're at, to be honest with you, because yun nga, may treasure. So meaning lang nun, may mga kliyente ka pa na nagte-treasure kung ano man ang iyong produkto or pwede rin kung ano man yung gusto mo i-post sa channel and so on. So, wag kang papasindak sa mga copycats na yan. Okay? Magkaiba kasi yung produkto ni copycat sa produkto ng original. Yun ang dapat mong tandaan. Quality as well, diba? So, anyway, let's see what we have here. Tsaka passion daw sa ginagawa. So, anyway, tinan natin kung ano pang meron. Another dimension to me. So, wag ka daw papasindak sa haters mo rin. Kasi baka yung mga haters na yan, pinadala lang nung copycat para masira ka, okay? Pero lalabasin ang katotohanan whether they like it or not, okay? So, ito yung gusto nilang ipaalam sa inyo na darating ang panahon na marirealize sa mga tao kung sino man si copycat ay deceitful at masama. Si heartless, as you can see here. Baka wala naman kasi talaga silang pagmamahal sa kanilang yung passion na ginagawa mo, or pwede rin sa kanilang mga clients or customers. So, darating ang panahon na iiwan ng mga tao si copycats kasi hanap-hanapin nila yung iyong pagmamahal kasi na-sense ko yung energy ng love dito at saka yung produkto mo talaga nagawa mo, hindi yung gawa nila. Siguro ito na yung karma reading natin, okay? So, anyway, that's it, guys. Okay, gusto niyo pa ng karma reading. So, tingnan natin kung magkaiba ba si karma reading versus that. So, feeling ko hindi kayo kontento doon lang eh. So, anyway, I feel like di pa rin nagbabago kung sino si copycat. They're still copying you and doing things. But it will just backfire on them in the future is what I sense. So, anyway, yung karma nila, hindi ka nila maaalis sa posisyon mo, whether they like it or not. So, kung nagpadala man sila ng mga tao just to hate your products, it will not work out. Kasi nga, as I told you, hindi nila madidistort yung mga tao na nagkagusto na sa produkto mo or kung ano man ang posting mo. Ngayon, sila ay nagmamanifest sa mga taong kagaya nila na deceitful, haters din, and so on. So, yun na, malulungkot sila. So, kung negosyo yan, guys, instead na umaasenso sila, paubos yung pera, as you can see here. Ikaw naman, magkakaroon ka ng pagkakataon na may mga tatangkilik ng produkto mo at saka may masaya ka emotionally kasi first of all, kung ano man ang ginagawa mo, it's really your passion, diba? So, hindi talaga yun maalis sa'yo kasi it's destined for you. So, someday, he will still be here at saka sila naman yung nasa baba. Kasi because of the reason that hindi nila na-acknowledge yung awakening process. Kasi ito yung tao na, as I told you, naguguluhan kung anong gagawin nila sa buhay. Okay? So, definitely, kung yung ginagawa mo, hindi yan meant para sa kanila. So, isa sa kanilang karma, dahil ini-ignore nila si awakening process, matatagalan sila malaman ang kanilang sarili. Unless they change, unless they let go of something na hindi naman dapat para sa kanya. And remember, if you're holding on to something that's not fated for you, someday mawawala yan. So expect that whatever that they're doing against you, mawawala yan. Okay? Mag-fall down yan. Okay? And I feel here talaga naiyak kayo kasi nga sa damages na ginawa niya sa inyo. Pero yan, darating din ang panahon, wag kang mag-alala na on divine timing, you will again regain back what you lost. So anyway, that's it guys with your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight about your situation and God bless all of you. Sa mga pumili na soulmates card, dito yung reading. Tingnan natin kung ano yung dapat malaman. At assess ko kaagad guys, karma reading. Okay? I feel here na may distort na energy. So, baka kasi nangyari dito, meron sigurong chismis na kalat. And maybe you're wondering kung mag-fade away ba si chismis? Kasi maybe nasira yung pangalan mo, na-distort ang kaso, kung tukol yan sa kaso, and so on. Parang naghahanap ka ba ng hustisya or kahit yung katotohanan lang lumabas, okay na sa'yo. So anyway, clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. Dahil may narinig tayong aso sa background, ibig sabihin lang nun guys, may mga tao na against. Okay, so maybe nangyari kasi dito, may dalawang parties. Yung isang party, they believe in a certain way. Yung isang party is more likely of you who knows the truth and wants the truth to be released or to be out there. I feel na iba sa inyo nasira na yung pangalan dahil sa mga tao na nagdi-distort ng katotohanan. Ngayon, maybe you're wondering, may pag-asa pa ba kami? Parang ganun ba na vibe ang nasa sense ko? Or you're actually asking if you will be heard by people despite of all the haters. Okay? Anyway, let's see what we have here. So anyway, yung gusto mong ipalam sa inang Panginoon is they don't want you to be lonely. Okay, I feel like God has heard your prayers at saka gusto sanang ipalam ng Diyos, huwag kayong mawalan ng hope about this case or kung ano man ang pinaglalaban mo. Kasi guys, hindi ka nag-iisa. Huwag mo isipin yun. Kasi marami tayong cards dito na lonely, alone. Ito siguro yung vibe mo sa ngayon. Kasi maybe what's happening here, wala ka nakikitang progression sa kaso. Or pwede rin para makita sana ng tao yung katotohanan. They're reminding you na someday kung sino man yung kalaban mo dahil sa sobrang pride nila, mawawala yung posisyon nila. Because remember that if you have this pride, guys, hindi kasi maganda ang karma ng taong ma-prideful. Mangyayari sa kanila na, magkakaroon sila ng downfall with regards sa career. Okay, yun dapat mo malaman at gusto nila sabihin sa'yo kung sino man yan kaaway mo, mawawala siya sa posisyon. Because there will be definitely changes that's going to happen. Because of the reason na may mga evidences against sa kanya. I feel na it's more on evidence. Itong tao na to ay sinungaling, masama, and so on. Ngayon, they want you to know that you will not be alone in this process. Kung sa umpisa mag-isa ka na lang, dati ang panahon na maka-attract ka ng mga tao talaga na they will listen to you. And things will change in your favor. Kasi first of all, you're fighting for what is right. At saka naghirap ka siguro ng matagal na panahon just for fighting the truth. Okay? And I really feeling like yung desire mo naman is something na maganda naman yung intention mo. So that's also the reason why you're attracting people that are like you. Okay, and you could be influencing others to know the truth. Pero yung gusto sanang ipaalam sa inang Panginoon, mag-ingat ka pa rin sa mga tao mapagpanggap. Kasi kahit sabihin natin na you do have people that really supports you, iba kasi sa kanila, nagpapanggap sila. Isa siguro to sa mga tao na sinent ni pride. Okay, kasi meron tayong pride card dito kung sino man yung kaaway mo. Pero hindi ko naman nasa-sense dito na marami sila in numbers. I feel here na mas marami pa rin talaga yung talagang sumusuporta sa'yo at nagkikare. Kasi I see here, guys, sa pinadala ng Panginoon, yung mga tao na mabubuti. At I feel here as well with the justice being here, malalaman ng mga tao yung katotohanan and there will definitely be justice at may mga susuporta sa'yo in the future. Kung hindi mo man yan nadama sa ngayon, I feel na sa umpisa yung mahirap. Okay, so don't give up. Kasi darating ang panahon wherein people will finally open their eyes to the truth. Okay? At hindi mawawala yung pagod mo, guys. So we have the soulmates. It says here soul connection, partnership, agreement, and soul contract. So I'm sensing with the soulmates card kung sa ngayon you feel alone and so on, makakatagpo ka ng mga tao sa future na soul tribe mo. Mga tao na talagang susuporta sa'yo sa yung pinaglalaban. Kasi I feel na yung justice ay nasa iyo kasi because of the reason that you are fighting for what is right and you're actually being authentic and honest and true when others are lying. Diba? So anyway, let's see what else. So kung kaso man yan, I feel here, guys, may malungkot dito. Nasa-sense ko kasi yung haba ng panahon. Para sa umpisa talaga maghihirap ka. Pero sa huli talaga yung talagang success yung nakita ko dito. So this is an easier way. And we also got forgive here. We also have this impact in either way. So, I'm sensing, guys, na kung sino man itong nakalaban ninyo, yung nagsisinungaling na yan, in the beginning, they could have a big impact or nakokontrol nila yung mga tao, but in the future, no, they can't do that anymore. So, sa ngayon, nasa power sila kung sakali man nasa beginning area pa lang kayo. Pero kung patapos na yan, guys, kung napapansin nyo na marami ka ng supporters, so, ibig sabihin lang nun, guys, patapos na tong dalahin mo na mahirap. Next na trikat is quit is in reverse. So, yung gusto nilang malaman mo na huwag ka mag-quit sa pinaglalaban mo. Patuloy mo lang ang ginagawa mong pagsabi ng katotohanan. Kasi baka iba sa inyo, parang tumitigil kayo sa ginagawa nyo. So, with this grabbing here, so as I told you, may mga tao din, despite of you having people around na talagang on alignment with you, ingat ka pa rin sa mga tao na akala mo ay friends mo, yung pala ay may grab mentality attitude. So, be careful, guys. At saka respect your hunches. At saka pay attention to the red flags para maprotectionan ka against negative people. So, tinan natin kung ano pang meron. I feel like your true colors will definitely come out. I feel na kasi matagal mo na itong pinaglalaban. Pero I feel na nasa uli yung pagsisisi kasi na may nakagawa ng mali kasi we have to forgive being here. Kasi kung sino man yung nakaaway mo, guys, itong taon na to ay kahaman sa attention, sa pera, sa power, okay? So, ayun niya, nasasapawan siya, kaya siguro ginawa niya is talagang inalis kayo sa picture. Ngayon, gusto nilang ipaalam sa inyo na itong trabaho na to ay talagang mahirap, but yet I feel like in the future, you will be abundant someday. Okay, so yung mga may lihim nga na nakatakip dito. So, also, what I want you to know is that yung mga tao na ma-pride na yan, dahil nga sa kahalabas ang pera, nangyari is maghihirap sila, guys. Nawalan sila sa power kasi kailangan nila magbayad ng maraming tao, hindi ba? So, dahil dito, ubos ang kayamanan nila. Samantalang ikaw, you don't need to put much of an effort, to actually ipakalat mo yung katotohanan kasi naturally, lalabas si katotohanan whether they like it or not. So, anyway, isa rin sa mangyayari sa kanila, guys, sa uli yung pagsisisi. Marirealize silang mali pala yung kanilang nagawa. Tignan natin yung kanilang karma. Baka mapaaway sila, guys, kasi may naririnig tayong mga aso sa labas na nagtatahulan. So, sign kasi yun ng away. So, baka kasi nangyari nun, lumabas yung katotohanan. At saka, dahil nga sa katotohanan, i-hate sila ng mga tao. So, whether they like it or not, they cannot hide the truth anymore. Okay, patuloy dumadama yung ebidensya. So, yun ang nasa sense ko. So, tingnan natin yung kanilang karma. So, ito yung karma nila, guys. Okay, so, yung masaklap sa kanila, hindi nila alam kung sino yung itatrust nila. Ang dami nilang tao. Hindi nila ma-let go kasi lahat connected sa kanya, lahat alam ang baho niya and so on. So, kailangan niyang itago lahat ng mga tao na yun. Yung masaklap dito, araw-araw siya nagkakaroon ng anxiety issues dahil nisip niya na baka lumabas si katotohanan. Okay? So, ito yung kanyang karma din na yun nga, one day babagsak siya kung dati nasa trono siya, mawalan siya ng yaman. As you can see here, at kailangan niyang umalis dahil nga sa kanyang baho. So, I'm sensing na naiyak siya kasi mamimiss niya yung mga panahon na masaya siya, na may connection siya, and so on. Kasi darating ang panahon na mawawala itong lahat. Okay, kasi I'm sensing itong tao na to napapaligiran din siya ng mga ahas. or mga taong kagaya din niya na hindi mapagkakatiwalaan, kasi yun yung kanyang na-attract, kasi that is whom this person is, diba? So it's like, tell me who your friends are and I tell you who you are. Imagine if you're surrounded by snakes. So anytime na lang, pwede nilang tuklawin yung isa't isa or i-betray yung isa't isa. Para hindi ka talaga comfortable sa ganung environment. So ito talaga na tao na to, mapipilitan siya na baka mag-travel away. Kasi nga, natotoxican siya sa mga tao sa paligid, sa kanyang circle. So, at saka dahil lalabas ang kanyang baho, they mentioned to me na tatago niya yung kanyang sarili, maybe sa public. Or tago na lang siya ng tago. Pangawalan siya ng impluensya is what I sense as well. Dahil nga yan, lumabas ang katotohanan. So anyway, that's it guys with your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight about your situation and God bless all of you.